Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable 90Hz and 120Hz refresh rate in Realme Note 50. Guys, as you know that Realme Note 50 has 60Hz and 90Hz refresh rate, not 120Hz refresh rate. So this is very clear that we can only change 60Hz to 90Hz, not in 120Hz. But how? I am telling you guys, this is very easy method. Just go to settings and then scroll. We have option of display here. Just click on display. After that, again scroll. As you see, we have option of screen refresh rate. Just click here, and my phone is now set to 60Hz. I want to change it to a 90Hz. All you guys have to do, just click on auto. After that, go back. So as you see, the screen refresh rate is on auto and it is on 90Hz refresh rate. So this is how you can change 60Hz refresh rate to 90Hz in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.